Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Slow English podcast, a place where we can practice English together in a slow and easy way. I am Tom, and I am very happy to have you here today. I hope you are all feeling good today. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far. Today, I want to talk about something very important, something that is part of all of our lives. This is about our best moments, the special moments in our life, both in the past and in the present. Best moments can be anything. They can be small or big. They can be simple moments, like a smile from a friend, or big moments, like achieving a dream. Today, we will think about these moments and why they are important. We will also share some stories and memories that can make us feel happy and inspired. Before we continue, I want to remind you to subscribe to this podcast if you have not already. Please also share it with your friends. This podcast is for everyone who wants to practice English in a slow and easy way. On our channel, you can practice English every day. You can improve your English skills little by little. You will hear simple English, slow English, and clear English in every episode. Even if you are busy, you can still listen to our podcast. You can listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing at home. The goal is to make learning English easy and fun. You do not need to worry about difficult words or fast speaking. We will speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand everything. This is a conversational style podcast, so it feels like we are talking together, like friends. Everything we say is in English only, but it is easy to follow. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking along with me. So today, get ready to enjoy our discussion about the best moments in life. We will explore happy memories, important achievements, and funny or special times that make life beautiful. I am excited to share these moments with you, and I hope you will also think about your own best moments. Thank you for joining me today. And now, let's start with a simple question. Why it is important to remember our best moments. Life can be very busy. Sometimes we are working, studying, or taking care of many things. In all this, we can forget the good moments we have had. We can forget the times that made us happy, proud, or excited. That is why it is very important to remember these moments. Remembering our best moments can make us feel happy again. Even if we have a difficult day, thinking about a happy memory can bring a smile to our face. It can give us hope and energy to continue. It can remind us that life is full of good things, even when it feels hard. Remembering best moments also helps us feel thankful. We remember the people who helped us, the friends who were with us, and the experiences that taught us something. This feeling of gratitude is very good for our mind and heart. It makes us appreciate life more. Another reason it is important is that our best moments teach us lessons. We learn what makes us happy, what we enjoy, and what is important in life. We can use this knowledge to make better decisions in the future. For example, if we remember a moment when we helped someone and it made us feel proud, we may want to do more kind things. Finally, remembering our best moments helps us share happiness with others. We can tell our stories to friends, family, or even listeners of this podcast. When we share happy memories, we can make others feel happy too. This creates connection and friendship. So, today I want you to think about your own best moments. It can be a memory from childhood, a day you felt proud, or even a simple moment that made you smile. Remember it, feel it, enjoy it.
These moments are part of your life, and they are very valuable. Now, we are going to talk about childhood memories. Childhood is a very special time in our lives. It is full of moments that make us smile, laugh, and feel happy even many years later. When I think about my childhood, I remember very simple things. For example, I remember playing outside with my friends after school. We would run, laugh, and play games for hours. Sometimes we played football or hide and seek. Other times we just made up our own games. It did not matter if we won or lost. The best part was spending time together and having fun. I also remember family moments. My family was very important to me. In the evenings, we would sit together, talk, and sometimes share stories. My parents would tell me about their life when they were young. I loved listening to their stories. They made me feel safe, loved, and happy. Even today, when I remember these moments, I feel warm inside. Childhood memories are also full of funny and unexpected moments. I remember one time I tried to help my mother in the kitchen. I wanted to cook something by myself, but I accidentally spilled flour everywhere. The kitchen was white from flour, and I laughed so much. My mother laughed too. That day, I learned two important things. One, cooking is not always easy, and two, mistakes can be funny. It was a small moment, but it became a special memory for me. Childhood memories can also teach us lessons. They help us understand friendship, kindness, and patience. When we remember these moments, we can see how we grew up and how we learned new things. For example, I remember a time when I helped a friend who was sad. I didn't do anything big, but my friend smiled after I listened to him. That moment taught me that even small actions can make a difference. Now, I want you to think about your childhood. Can you remember a moment that made you very happy? Maybe it was playing with your friends, a holiday with your family, a birthday celebration, or something funny that happened at school. Take a moment and imagine it. Try to feel the happiness again. Remembering these moments can make your heart feel light and joyful. Childhood memories are treasures. They are part of our best moments in life, and they stay with us forever. They remind us to smile, laugh, and enjoy life, even when we are busy as adults. They are a reminder that happiness does not always come from big things. Sometimes the smallest moments are the most important. Now, let's talk about life achievements. Life achievements are moments that make us feel proud, happy, and successful. They are very special because they show what we can do and what we can accomplish. Achievements can be big or small. They can be something important like finishing school, getting a job, or learning a new skill. Or they can be small, like helping a friend, cooking a meal for your family, or finishing a personal project. Every achievement is valuable. Every achievement is part of your story, your life, and your best moments. Now I want you to think about your own achievements. What is one thing you have done that makes you proud? It can be something big or small. Take a moment and remember it. Feel the pride and happiness again. These feelings are very important. They remind us that we are capable, strong, and growing every day. And now we are going to talk about funny or surprising moments. These are moments that make us laugh, smile, or feel surprised. They are very special because they make life interesting and fun. Funny moments can be small or big. They can happen at home, at school, at work, or with friends. Sometimes they are mistakes, accidents, or surprises. But the important thing is that they make us laugh and feel happy. Laughing is very good for us. It makes our mind feel light, and it makes our heart feel warm. I remember one funny moment from my life. One day I was walking with my friend and we saw a dog wearing sunglasses. Yes, a dog with sunglasses. We couldn't stop laughing. It was so surprising and funny. That moment stayed in my memory because it was so unusual. Every time I think about it, I smile. Another funny moment happened when I was cooking. I tried to make a cake, but I put too much salt instead of sugar. When I ate it, I couldn't believe how salty it was. I laughed at myself, and my family laughed too. It was a small mistake, but it became a happy memory. This moment taught me to laugh at myself and enjoy life, even when things don't go as planned. Unexpected moments can
Now, we are going to talk about lessons learned from our best moments. Every special moment in life, whether it is happy, funny, or unexpected, can teach us something important. Lessons are very valuable because they help us grow as a person. When we remember a moment and think about it, we can understand more about ourselves, about life, and about others. Even small moments can have big lessons. For example, one lesson I learned from my childhood is the importance of friendship. When I played with my friends as a child, I learned to share, to care, and to help others. These moments taught me how to be a good friend, even as an adult. Childhood memories are full of lessons that we can use every day. Another lesson I learned comes from achievements. When I finished a difficult project at work, I learned that hard work and patience pay off. I also learned to believe in myself. Sometimes we feel nervous or unsure if we can do something, but when we try and keep going, we can succeed. Achievements teach us that we are capable of more than we think. Funny and unexpected moments also teach us lessons. For example, when I made a mistake in the kitchen and laughed at it, I learned that it is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of life. They help us learn, grow, and even have fun. These moments remind us not to take life too seriously. Another important lesson is gratitude. When we remember our best moments, we feel thankful for the people, experiences, and opportunities in our lives. Gratitude helps us feel happier and more positive. It reminds us to notice the good things around us every day. Lessons learned are not always about success. Sometimes they are about being kind, patient, or understanding. Sometimes they are about enjoying small moments. Every moment has a story, and every story can teach us something. Now, I want you to think about your own best moments. What lessons have you learned from them? Maybe you learned to be brave, to be kind, or to laugh at yourself. Maybe you learned to work hard or to enjoy life more. Take a moment and feel proud of what your experiences have taught you. Remember, life is a journey, and every moment is part of it. Our best moments give us happiness, lessons, and memories. They shape who we are and who we want to be. By remembering these moments, we can grow, learn, and become better every day. And now, we are going to talk about you, the listeners. Yes, this part is all about how you can share your best moments and practice English with us. I love listening to stories from our listeners. Every person has a unique experience, and every experience is important. Your best moments can be about childhood memories, achievements, funny incidents, or lessons you learned. Sharing your moments can make you feel happy and can also inspire others. If you want, you can send your stories to us. You can write them in an email, a message, or even on social media. We would love to read your stories in future episodes. Your stories can help other listeners practice English too. When you share your experiences, you are helping the community grow. Remember, this is a slow English podcast. We speak slowly and clearly so that everyone can understand. When you share your story, you can also practice speaking in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them, and that is okay. The important thing is to practice, enjoy, and communicate. Even if you are busy, you can still listen to our podcast. You can listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing at home. You can pause and repeat sentences if you want to practice your English. Every little effort helps you improve your skills. Listening, speaking, and even thinking in English are all ways to learn. I encourage you to think about your best moments today. Maybe write down a few sentences about them in English. You can start with something simple like, "My best moment was," and describe it in a few words. This exercise will help you remember happy times and also practice English at the same time. Also, please subscribe to our podcast if you haven't already. Share it with your friends who want to practice English. On our channel, you can listen every day. You can learn slow English, simple English, and conversation English. Our goal is to help you practice English in a fun and easy way. Remember, every moment you remember, every story you share, and every time you listen to this podcast, you are learning English and celebrating your life at the same time. Life is full of best moments, and together we can enjoy them, learn from them, and practice English. Okay, now we have talked a lot about best moments, from childhood memories to achievements, funny surprises, and the lessons we learn. Now it is time to wrap up and finish today's episode. First, I want to thank you for listening. You spent your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed our conversation. I hope you smiled, laughed, and remembered some of your own best moments. That's exactly what this podcast is for, to help you practice English, feel happy, and enjoy your life at the same time. Let's quickly remember what we talked about today. In Part 1, we introduced our topic, the best moments in life. In Part 2, we discussed why it is important to remember these moments. In Part 3, we shared childhood memories. Part 4 was about life achievements, and Part 5 was about funny or unexpected moments. In Part 6, we reflected on lessons learned, and in Part 7, we talked about listener engagement and how you can share your stories. All these moments are important because they make life meaningful. They teach us lessons, make us happy, and help us grow. Remembering them can give you energy and positivity, even on difficult days. Every small moment, every smile, every memory counts. I want to encourage you to keep practicing English. Listen to this podcast again if you want. Pause, repeat, and speak along with me. Try to write your own sentences about your best moments. You can also share your stories with friends or on social media. Practice is the key to improving your English, and this podcast is here to help you every day. Remember, learning English does not have to be difficult. You can learn in a slow and simple way with stories, conversations, and real-life examples. Even if you are busy, you can listen to a few minutes every day. Little by little, you will improve. Before we finish, I want to say one last thing. Life is full of beautiful moments. Enjoy them, celebrate them, and remember them. Smile at your memories, laugh at funny moments, feel proud of your achievements, and always be grateful for the lessons you learn. These moments are part of who you are, and they make life special. Please subscribe if you haven't, share with your friends who want to practice English, and join us again for the next episode. Keep practicing English, enjoy life, and remember your best moments every day. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.